What we're viewing now is Lebanon Valley, located in Lebanon, New York. Often mistaken for being part of the Berkshire Mountains and foothills of the Berkshires, this area is actually foothills of the Taconic Mountain Range, which is part of the Appalachian Trail. Many of the conifers seen in this area were planted by the Civilian Conservation Corps between 1933 to 1942. In this valley, at any time, one can enjoy viewing many hawks gliding and riding the currents in the valley, such as the peregrine falcon, ospreys, the red-tailed hawk, and the American kestrel. Do you know that the beaver is considered New York State's official mammal? In fact, Albany was originally called Beaverwick, which literally translated is the Beaver District. Many beavers were trapped and then the furs traded back to Europe and Scandinavia for fashion of the times, especially men's hats. Beavers construct dens or lodges that have many entrances. They also build dams, which are works of art and engineering expertise. However, they may cause destruction to property and devalue it, which is what we're looking at now. This is a small pool that is off the Kinderhook Creek because a dam has been built, which is behind the tall grasses and inaccessible at this time. And it's caused water to pool here. Beavers mate for life, but would select a new one in the event of the death of a partner. The breeding season is January through February, and the gestation period is 107 days long. Litters consist of 2 to 7 kits, and kits are born precocious with teeth and their eyes open, ready to enter the water within a few hours after birth. And I'm not quite sure if you can see, but down here in the mud, we do actually have some footprints of beavers over here and over here. This is Kinderhook Creek. Spanning 49 miles, the Kinderhook Creek is a tributary of the Stockport Creek, which serves as an inlet of the Hudson River. Kinderhook Creek is stocked annually with 2 types of fish, the brown trout and the brook trout. Reports of wild brown trout and brook trout have been recorded in the upper sections. Much to the angler's delight, 33 feet bordering either side of the creek are reserved for fishing, thanks to New York State. The creek also serves as a local watering hole where many residents will enjoy cooling off in the hot, humid summers. Anne's lace, often referred to as a weed, is a biennial, related to the carrot family. Its scientific name, Daucus carota, may also be called wild carrot. The tap root is edible, and European settlers often made wine from it too. Both the flowers and the leaves are edible. Queen Anne's lace may grow upwards of 2 feet. The flower top consists of many white clustered flowers in dense umbels.